The tabletop to L-sit is an exercise that I would use for flexibility work as well as a little bit of strengthening work. It just depends where you need it, is where you'll probably feel it. It's a nice movement because it works your mobility, flexibility, and strength. You're working your shoulders, your upper back, your lower back, your glutes, hamstrings. So it's great for the whole posterior chain. At the same time, it'll stretch if you're tight in your chest, your shoulders, your biceps. You want to sit in a nice upright position with your feet out in front of you about hip width apart. Put your hands by your sides. You can either do fingers facing forwards or fingers facing backwards. We will be doing both, but one of them will be slightly easier on you depending on where you're tight. From there, you're going to engage the scapula down, push the shoulders down, push your bum off the ground. And then you're just going to engage your hamstrings, dig your heels into the ground and pull yourself up into that tabletop position, making sure to really squeeze your glutes at the top so it's nice and flat. You may have a little bit of a break in the line at the hips, but that's something you can work on. You want to try and get rid of that. From there, you're just going to reverse it back into the L-sit, but this time don't put your bum on the ground. Keep yourself supported up and off the ground. And that's your tabletop to L-sit. If you do struggle with keeping your bum off the ground, you can put your hands under a few yoga blocks, as I've done here at the end of the video, and you can work towards getting yourself on the floor.